Look at this fascinating hornbill.
Look at that bird.
Where did it go? Look at these long beaks.
Leg.
Bird with a long beak. Yeah? The bird